Hey guys, I'm Alex Pierce. I'm starting a new Blender tutorial series for beginners. It's also for 3D artists and game developers who are not new to 3D, but are new to Blender. I'm a generalist. I know a little bit about everything and I don't really specialize in one area or the other. I'm also sort of a technical artist where I've been learning Python and making my own add-ons and creating my own scripts, etc. And I do use Blender professionally, creating content at Swivel Creative. We do a lot of work for enterprise companies. We work in the training fields. We do VR, we do Web 3D, we do animations, still images, rendered images, etc. And I also work a little bit with Unity and Unreal. So these tutorials won't do a deep dive into how to do hard surface modeling or how to do this XYZ in sculpting. It's rather going to be an overview of all of Blender and a little bit about how to do this and a little bit about how to do that, starting with how to import a model, how to light a model, how to set up a scene, how to set up a world, how to render, how to use the denoise pass in the compositor. Hopefully the titles are clear enough that you can just watch what is relevant for you if you are familiar with Blender. Lastly, I'm developing an add-on that will simplify getting started in Blender so that the first time someone opens Blender, they can just push a few buttons and render out something that looks cool, rather than having to open up 15 different windows and make sure you check that box and make sure you check this box before you render something. So if you have any suggestions or you can't find something, you're not sure where it's at, let me know in the comments. So make sure to subscribe. Not only will you be able to see what's coming next, but it's a great way to support and motivate me to continue making tutorials. Take care.